Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're going to change the cabin air filter on this 2026 Hyundai Sonata. Alright guys, open up the glove box, take everything out of here, and you have this little latch. You're just going to pull it out like that, and then you're going to squeeze the sides, this side on top and this side at the same time, and this is going to fall. So squeeze the side, and this falls down, and your filter's right in there. Okay, your filter's right behind this cover. Just squeeze this and pull it out, and it comes out of that side. See, there's like a tab. This is your filter. Pull it out. There you go. All right, guys, this filter still looks pretty good, so I'm not gonna replace it. But the main thing you have to remember is when you install it, make sure the airflow arrows are pointing down, okay? So I'm just gonna put this back in there. Now take the cover, and we're gonna install the cover. Put this tab in first on the left, and then push it in place until it clicks, okay? Now the glove box, just swing it up, and that's it. And don't forget this little latch, okay? So this pulls out, and you're gonna just put it in place. That's it. Throw your junk back in here. There you go. So that's to it. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.